Having trouble with your Tesla app on your Apple Watch? You're not alone. This video will guide you through troubleshooting steps to resolve installation, syncing, and connectivity issues. As of late 2025, common causes include outdated software, Bluetooth problems, incorrect permissions, and network interference. Tesla's 2025 software updates have improved reliability, but issues can still arise. We'll cover each of these, providing clear solutions to get your app running smoothly. Let's dive in. Before we begin, ensure your devices meet the minimum requirements. You'll need an iPhone with iOS 16 or later and an Apple Watch with watchOS 9 or later. Make sure the Tesla app is installed on your iPhone first. Then, confirm both devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network or have a stable cellular connection. Ensure Bluetooth is enabled on both devices and that they are within 30 feet of each other. Finally, make sure your Tesla account is linked to the app on your iPhone. Let's start with the simplest solutions. First, restart both your iPhone and Apple Watch. This often resolves temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, try reinstalling the Tesla app on your iPhone. Delete the app, then download it again from the App Store. Once reinstalled, open the app and log in with your Tesla account. This will often prompt the Watch app to install automatically. Remember to enable background app refresh for the Tesla app in your iPhone settings. Incorrect permissions can prevent the Tesla app from syncing with your Apple Watch. Let's check the key settings step by step. First, on your iPhone, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and select Location Services. In Location Services, find the Tesla app and make sure it's enabled. Choose Allow only while using the app for proper syncing. Next, go to Settings, then Notifications, and find the Tesla app. Make sure notifications are turned on for important alerts. In the Tesla app, go to Settings and look for Sync with Watch. Try forcing a manual sync to update your Apple Watch. Finally, check Settings, Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is on and your Apple Watch is connected for Tesla app functionality. Bluetooth and Wi-Fi issues are frequent causes of syncing problems between your Tesla app and Apple Watch. Let's start by checking Bluetooth connectivity. On your iPhone, go to Settings, then Bluetooth. Make sure your Apple Watch is listed as connected. If it's not, try unpairing and repairing the devices. This refreshes the connection and can resolve syncing issues. Now let's check your Wi-Fi connection. On your iPhone, go to Settings, then Wi-Fi. Ensure both your iPhone and Apple Watch are connected to the same stable network. Verify that both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network and that the connection is stable. Weak or unstable Wi-Fi can prevent proper syncing with the Tesla app. If you're using a VPN, try disabling it temporarily. VPNs can sometimes interfere with the Tesla app's communication with Tesla's API, causing syncing problems. If basic troubleshooting steps haven't resolved the Tesla app loading issue on your Apple Watch, consider performing a reset. This is an advanced step that will erase all data on your watch, so it's crucial to back up your data first to prevent permanent loss. To reset your Apple Watch, navigate to the Settings app on your watch, then go to General, followed by Reset, and finally select Erase All Content and Settings. This process will completely wipe your watch and return it to factory settings. Select the Erase All Content and Settings option to confirm the reset. This will remove all apps, data, and settings from your watch. After the reset completes, restore your watch from the backup you created earlier. Then, reinstall the Tesla app through the Watch app on your iPhone. This fresh installation can resolve deeper software conflicts that were preventing the app from loading properly. A full reset of your Apple Watch can often fix persistent issues with the Tesla app by clearing any corrupted data or conflicting settings that basic fixes couldn't address. Software conflicts with other apps or outdated operating systems can also cause problems. Ensure both your iPhone and Apple Watch are running the latest versions of iOS and watchOS. Check for updates in Settings, General, Software Update on both devices. Also, consider whether any recently installed apps might be interfering with the Tesla app. Try temporarily uninstalling suspicious apps to see if that resolves the issue. Tesla's app is optimized for watchOS 10.5 Plus and iOS 18.1 Plus. If you've tried all the troubleshooting steps and your Tesla app still isn't loading on your Apple Watch, it may be time to contact Apple support for hardware issues. Unfortunately, Tesla doesn't have dedicated watch-specific support, so Apple is the best resource for hardware-related problems. Looking ahead, expect improved AI-driven fixes in future Tesla app updates, automatically detecting and resolving sync issues. Also, expect further integration of EV apps with wearable tech across different platforms.